about 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then restart if you want more.
Okay. And do you have a volume here? Like?
No, it records at normal volume.
Okay. I mean, where is the little?
No, it's recording. You know.
Oh, right there.
It's recording.
Okay. This is your first. What do you call this? Nursing?
Yeah.
And she took to it because she's Miss Chunks, but she's pretty Miss Chunks.
She wanted food.
Yeah, everyone else has gotten to see your eyes, and you keep opening them, but not big enough for me to see.
I got them on here.
She has pretty blue eyes.
Here, talk to her.
I got them open right now.
Talk to her so you can.
She done?
Hey, baby girl, no.
Talk to her about what she's doing right now.
No, she knows exactly what she's doing.
She's getting food.
That stupid thing needs to shut up.
I'm going to.
Oh yeah, that thing. Can we hit the power off button? Or
Hit something.
Well,
this is the monster making the noise in the background. We're gonna kill the monster. Bye, monster. Okay,
Yeah,
monster is gone. And if I get fired for that, who's whatever.
Hey, sweetie pie.
It is. Hey, the monster's gone. Cassandra says so too. So does Hazel. And you are Amy. Wonder why I know your names? Because she talks about you. And I seen you on MySpace. And I saw you at Walmart the other day.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Oh, I got booby in
I'm
the
on MySpace.
Big deal.
Hey.
This is not sexual.
Hey.
No, this is all natural.
It is.
Hey,
This
my
is a
little
natural
girl.
woman.
Hey, my
All
little
natural
girl.
woman. This is the man that almost fainted. Smile at me.
We're soon to find out if she's an easy burper or a hard burper.
Oh yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
Paul would only burp when he wanted to.
Oh really? That's a different thing to
Baby, you
happen.
have a cut in your ear, you know.
Where?
That or a broken blood vessel.
Where?
Right in her ear.
Oh.
She's like, what's the time say that it's been recording for?
2:02.
Okay, I just click the button.